Is this the end for Cardano? Well, looking at this monthly time frame, you can clearly see it doesn't really look that great. Of course, the hit created that high over here around that $3. Ever since then, it's just been completely dying, breaking these level of supports over here, and it's been completely dying as well. So what I'm going to do is going to be highlighting these key regions here, what it needs to expect in order for that new level of highs to be formed. So there is that high over there where it did form back around 2021. There's the other key resistance over here as well. Again, highlighting all these key regions so that you understand where exactly has been happening. There is that support that turns to resistance over here as well. Again, and over here there was that key resistance level formed around 18, which then tapped in again this year, create a new level of resistance, and ever since then it smashed this level of support here as well, and just been completely going down as well. So let me just highlight this key support region around here, bro, around that 20-cent region. So you can see here exactly what's been happening with the monthly time frames. Ever since that high, just been creating all these wicks below and completely smashing these wicks, making those lows ever since that region. So it doesn't really look that great in terms of where the price is heading to at the moment. So just be aware exactly what's been happening. So this support needs to be held, and if it does, there is a good chance of it going back up towards that 80-cent region, dollar region. But if this does break, unfortunately there is a strong possibility of going down to even the 8-cent level. You can see here around this region here. So this needs to be careful in terms of where exactly price is heading to. At the moment you can see it is a pretty weak month, in fact. So this needs to be played out proper. So it's either going to be a retest on this support region here before going back up to around that 80-cent region here, or there is a strong possibility of it going back down here, retesting that support, and possibly going back down to around that 8-cent, even back to the cent level. So just be aware of exactly where prices are heading to at the moment. So hopefully what it does create that strong level of support and head back up to that 80-cent region. So just heading into weekly, you can see here at the moment it is pretty much ranging between that 80-cent region to around that 20-cent region. So you can see here I'm going to create this level of support region here. You can see here there is that strong level around there, and copy and paste this, there is that strong level around here. So as I said, guys, around March 24 this year, there was that retest on that strong level of resistance formed back around here. So you can see there that is a strong indication of it going back down here. So at the moment you can pretty much see it is just ranging, has been ranging for some time, since around around 2022. It's been ranging between these regions around 80 cents to 20 cents. So it is ranging with this current crypto project. So just be aware exactly what's been happening. Even jumping into the daily time frame, if you guys look into this, you can see here what exactly has been happening. It's just been creating lows and lower highs just between these regions. So if you want to highlight these key levels of support, you can see here around that 30-cent region and around that 40-cent region around here. You can see here it's just been ranging between ranges. That's literally what's been happening. You can see the weekly what's been happening. There's a range between that 20-cent region to 80-cent region. Going to daily, there is that range between the 30-cent to the 40-cent region. So it's pretty tricky in terms of picking out where exactly you want price to head to. Ideally, if you want a long-term game, I would suggest buying around that 20-cent region, just because of that strong level of support, before picking up some coins over here and heading up to that 80-cent region, hopefully. So that is exactly what I'm waiting for in terms of this project, guys. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below in terms of where you think Cardano is heading to, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.